Good day, everyone. My name is Kevin Byron, a student of Great Plains College in Warman campus, taking early childhood education. And for today's topic, we'll be talking about the role of an educator in an early childhood setting. The quality of an educator in an early childhood center is very important. It strengthens the social, emotional, physical, spiritual learning skills and behavior of the children. Educators in childcare center are part of everyday life of the children. They act as their second parents. Educators and parents collaborate to inspire, nurture, and encourage children while they develop their learning skills as they navigate the real world. If we talk about the role of an educator in promoting play, as an early childhood educator, it is our role to offer children with play spaces that they can create and construct ideas with their peers and other children. Educators design the children's daily routine and stimulate children to participate and show their skills. Educator also provide a safe place for children where they can freely play and enhance their social, emotional, spiritual, and physical skills that helps them in their growth development. It is also our responsibility to document the child's progress inside the facility. Educators are observer. Educators is not just a plain observer, but to watch and interact and review the progress of children during the play. Educators are also the child's documenter. They're not just there to observe, but to document whatever progress a child has and records every important details in the child learning process. Educators also are listeners. They act as the second parents of the child. The child can express their ideas and point of views. The educators listens to them, whatever they want, whatever they need inside the facility. Educators also are researchers. They research in a way that they plan and make strategies for the betterment of the child. Educators are creators of stimulating environment. Educators need to be friendly and warm towards the children, using a variety of strategies and equipped with different types of learning that can encourage the children to participate and engage with a given activity. Educators are the co-constructor of knowledge. Educators are there to help the child achieve their goal and enhance the child's knowledge and understanding of the world around them. Educators also act as the child's negotiator. Educators face challenging days. They need to interact with children in cases of any conflict and has a strong negotiating skills to come up with effective solution of the problem. Educators are supporter of children's participation in decision making. Educators should respect and have a good conversation skills in dealing with ideas and values towards the children as the key in engaging them in decision-making process. This will help the children develop and participate in a complex decision-making. Educators are the facilitator of a small group learning. They set goals in facilitating a small group learning, provide an open-ended materials, and raise stimulating questions to the children so that they can participate. Educators are supporter of social relationship. Educators' welcoming attitude and a good tone of relationship between the children helps them to socialize and value other children. Educators are partners with families, with parents. Educators maintain a good relationship with parents, have a regular meeting, and facilitate their concerns in relation to their child's development process. And lastly, educators are supporters of diversity. Educator facilitates and encourages children to have a healthy conversation and healthy relationship with other children. Educators guides children in challenges and help them in gaining new perspective in problem-solving process. Being a confident educator can teach the children great skills in overcoming challenges and difficulties. The environment in which our children live and play limits the children's opportunities for their care, play, and learning. As an early childhood educator, our role is to prepare and design the environment in which it is the central to children's experiences. To become effective, educators must consider time, spaces, materials, and children's participation. A responsive environment must provide children with a learning environment with a broad range of needs for diverse children and engages children to a respectful climate with a clear design curriculum that responds to the child's needs. According to Paro and Glocker in 2016, early learning environment are designed to support children's play, senses, and discoveries. The play space and play option provide children with a variety of materials that facilitate many types of play and experiences. Learning facilities must have enough space so that children can move freely and experience various play experiences, and the educators also can move around without disrupting the children. There are various setup and materials to allow children to play and participate with, and it also assists the educators in the observation process. When we talk about the characteristics of a responsive play spaces, learning facilities are safe, welcoming, comfortable with children so that everyone can take part in the activities. Children and educators can also benefit from safe and comfortable spaces, and it can create a healthy environment. Children also can access the materials easily. This includes children with identified disabilities and suspected delays like non-toxic materials, and uses color that can be attractive and can stimulate children to be creative and do freely inside the facility, and uses type of lightings which is good for eye health such as natural light. Schedules and routines also play a big role inside the facility. They can follow schedules and routines that helps them emerge independency and adjust environment more easily. This can also develop the child's interaction with other children and gain sense of belongingness and help build their self-confidence. Children learn play skills naturally, but sometimes educators have to encourage and teach them how to play. Learning how to play will help them to develop skills that they need for the future, including working cooperatively with other children, early academic skills, problem solving, fine and gross motor skills, and responding to others. Play is not just having fun, but about taking the risk, experimenting, and testing boundaries for children. Educators' role is to provide support, encourage children to sustain play, and allowing children's interest most, and creating opportunities both for learning and relationship building. Once again, this is Kevin Byron, a student of Great Plains College, Warman campus, taking early childhood education. Thank you for watching.